Welcome friends. Let us go for the next part of discussion of organic chemistry, that is classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are divided into categories for the easiness of understanding, and that classification helps us to know how many varieties of compounds are there, how many classes of compounds are there, how they are differed from one another. That's what classification is also important to know for the broad vision of organic compounds. Before going to the classification of organic compounds, there are some technical terms related to the classification concern, and those are here we will come across the words like homo, hetero, cyclic, alli, followed by aromatic. Let us have a brief one-word discussion related to the things, then we will focus our attention towards the classification of organic compounds. The first word, homo. Homo stands for similar. Homo stands for the same. Homo stands for one variety. Homo stands for primary. Homo stands for always the reoccurring chemical combination present in organic compounds. And that particular chemical combination includes carbon with carbon and the hydrogen. See, here chemical combination of hydrogen, if you look at, hydrogen is monovalent, it forms only one connectivity, that connectivity always occurs with carbon. Whereas carbon chemical combination with carbon chemical combination with hydrogen, the many varieties of chemical combinations present in this particular case of homo organic compounds are only two, that is carbon versus carbon chemical combination, carbon versus hydrogen chemical combination. Thus it can be sp3 sp3, sp3 sp2, sp3 sp. Similarly sp2 varieties with other threes, sp varieties with other threes, and at the same time the s orbital of hydrogen may chemically combine with any variety of hybridized orbital of carbon, like it can be of sp, it can be of sp2, or it can be of sp3 also. Such kind of carbon and the carbon hydrogen chemical combinations just present. Due to that chemical combination, if it forms organic compounds, those of all are known as homo organic compounds. The next one is hetero. Hetero stands for other than carbon atoms. Chemical combination of primary in association with some other atoms if present in chemical combination of given organic compound. Those of all are said to be hetero organic compounds. Those hetero organic compounds consisting of chemical combinations of carbon with hydrogen is compulsory, carbon with either other atoms, like it can be nitrogen, it can be oxygen, or it can be halogen, or it can be nitrogen derivative phosphorus, or it can be sulfur, etc., etc. Such kind of chemical combination of carbon with either any one of or any combination of either nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, phosphorus, sulfur, if anything is present in the given structure, then those of all compounds are said to be hetero organic compounds. And the next one is cyclic. Yes, if the chemical combination results formation of a closed feature containing system, one end is connected to other end, both ends are connected one with other, and such kind of chemical combination in which if cycle is formed, those of all are said to be what? Cyclic. That is, both ends are connected. Both ends are connected with one another. Those of all chemical combinations are known as cyclic chemical combinations. The next one is alli. Alli stands for generally what? False. Alli stands for what? Masked. Alli stands for what? Non-true. Alli stands for what? Pseudo. Here there are certain cyclic compounds appears as cyclic. Cyclic compounds are having some special features. But those cyclic compounds which appears to be cyclic but behaves as non-cyclic compounds, and their properties are nearer to that of, close to that of open chain compounds, those of all are said to be LE. LE stands for false. LE stands for hidden. LE stands for pseudo. Yes, appears to be something, behaves to be something else. Such kind of compounds are said to be LE. That is, appears as something but behaves as something else. These of all compounds are said to be alicyclic compounds. The last one is aromatic, is a special case due to some conditions, due to holding of certain special conditions. A compound is said to be aromatic compound. We will discuss what is of aromatic compounds and what is its nature, how it is different from the remaining organic compounds, where it differs and how many varieties are there, and what are its classifications, like what are benzenoid compounds and what are non-benzenoid compounds. We will discuss. Thus, this is the brief idea related to the compounds concerned in the form of organic, like what are homo, what are hetero, what are cyclic, what are allyl, what are aromatic, and how many varieties, how they will be differed, what is benzenoid and what is non-benzenoid, etc. Now we will go for tabular formation of the classification of organic compounds concerned. The broad classification of organic compounds includes two major ends, two major varieties of classification. The first one is open chain compounds. Compounds never be closed. Compounds present independent at two ends. Compounds in which independent ends are not connected are said to be the open chain compounds, and the other name of these open chain compounds is acyclic compounds. And the other end, in which what happens is two ends of the chain are connected with one another, there it is consisting of rings. Hence ring is known as cycle. Hence these of all are known as closed chain compounds, otherwise the cyclic compounds. If we go in detail related to the acyclic, otherwise the open chain compounds, open chain once again divided into two categories. Category number one, homoatomic compounds. Compounds are just consisting of two varieties of chemical combinations, that is carbon and carbon and carbon and hydrogen. Whereas heteroatomic combinations, as we discussed in the last part, it is consisting of other atoms chemical combinations like carbon with nitrogen, carbon with oxygen, carbon with halogen, nitrogen with oxygen, nitrogen with nitrogen. Similarly, carbon with phosphorus, carbon with sulfur. Other than carbon hydrogen chemical combinations, if anything is possible, that can be present. But that to be present in the what? Open chain manner, those of all are said to be open chain compounds. And once again, it is also is having two varieties. It is just consisting of the chains without having branches, that is said to be straight chain compounds. And the other end is, it is not in straight manner, it is consisting of branches. Here or there it is having substitutions. Such kind of substitutions containing open chains are said to be branched chain compounds. Thus we are having a broad classification of open chain compounds as open chain compounds of homo open chains, open chain compounds of heteroatomic chemical combinations. In the homoatomic, just it is consisting of straight chains, followed by second of it is consisting of branched chains. Similarly, in the case of heteroatomic chemical combinations, it is consisting of straight chains as well as branched chains. Let us give namings for these particular things. This I am saying it as A, this I am saying it as B, this I am saying it as C, this I am saying it as D. Let us go for examples of A, B, C, D. Then we will come for the closed chain compounds, which includes the other varieties like closed chains are of how many types, what are aromatic and what is it, etc. Yes. Let us go for examples of first category, that is just straight chain compounds. Just straight chain compounds, homo, and just straight chain compounds without having any kind of branches. If I take one carbon, that is methane system. If I take two carbons, this is CH3, CH3, ethane system. If I take three carbons, this is CH3, CH2, CH3, this is propane system. Similarly here, if I take other, it is CH2, CH2, CH3, this is butane system. Similarly here, pentane system, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Like this, I can write any extended chain. Chain is consisting of the connectivity of carbon with carbon and carbon with hydrogen, and it is not having any other branches, not having any other atom. Such kind of chemical combinations are examples for the just straight chain homoatomic chemical combinations of organic compounds, and this is known as methane system. And second one is known as ethane system, and this one is propane system, and this is butane system, and this is pentane system. Whereas if it is straight in chain, we will use a word N. So N butane system, N pentane system. Is there is any chance to have substitution, but that substitution is not present. Such kind of things are generally indicated with the N as a prefix, are said to be N butane, N pentane, N hexane, N heptane, N octane, N nonane, N decane, undecane, dodecane, etc. And these are the things which are comes under as examples for the category 1, that is just straight chain compounds of homoatomic combination. Yes. Second case, it is branched homo-organic compounds. Here I wrote organic compound of homo in nature, which is consisting of without having any kind of branches, that is N-octane. This can be adjusted. 8 carbons containing system, a saturated hydrocarbon N-octane can be adjusted in such a way that here it doesn't have any kind of branches. All carbons are either primary carbons and the secondary carbons combinations. But here I wrote one of the tertiary carbon here. Tertiary can be last but one. Tertiary can be other carbon atoms which are not the last but ones. Here the last, from the last second carbon may be tertiary, from the last third carbon may be tertiary, from one end fourth carbon may be tertiary carbon. These of all are branches. The same 8 carbons are adjusted in such a way. Here 8 plus 0 combination is there without having any kind of branches, but here it is adjusted in the form of 7 plus 1. See, it is consisting of total 7 carbons followed by 1 branching. 1 carbon has branching, methyl has branching. This is also 7 plus 1 carbon. This is also 7 plus 1 carbon. These of all are having branches. Similarly, it can be adjusted in the form of 6 plus 2. That is nothing but what? 6 in straight chain followed by 2 carbons as branches. Like this, at the last carbon atom, last but 1 carbon atom, branches are there. That is 6 plus 2 at this position, 6 plus 2 at the other position. Like this, the examples of this particular one and this particular one are comes under the branches of the 8 carbons containing system. Thus, here the total carbon and the hydrogen chemical combinations are not just present in the straight chain, they are present as the branches. Hence, these comes under the examples of the branched hydrocarbons. We will go for the other possible examples of these branches, but we will write the names for these compounds first. And this one is N-octane and this one is 2-methyl heptane, and this is 3-methyl heptane, and this one is, you can count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4. At the fourth carbon, methyl group is there. 4 methyl heptane system. And here the name as like this. Here total carbon atoms present in straight chain are 6. Out of 6, at the second position 2 methyls are there. That is 2, 2. Methyl is repeated twice. 2, 2 dimethyl hexane. And here this is 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. These are all are names for the compounds given, and we can write those 2 methyl groups at different positions also. One is at second position, one is at third position, second followed by fourth, second followed by fifth, third followed by fourth, third followed by fifth. Thus, varieties of combinations will come. We will write those, then we will go for the tertiary carbon, and we will go for the tertiary came over here, then we will go for the quaternary carbons, tertiary, quaternary combinations also we will write. Yes, here in the next case we are writing the 2 methyl groups which are present as substitution at different locations. So therefore, the 8 carbon atoms containing straight chain, now it has converted to the category of 6 plus 2. That is, 6 are on the straight part and remaining 2 are on the branched portions. So therefore, 6 plus 2 category of writing consisting of 2 methyls. Those 2 methyls are present. One is at the second carbon from the last and third carbon, second and the fourth carbon, second and the fifth carbon. If I write at the sixth, it becomes 7 in the straight chain, already that was covered. And the next is from the 3, third position to fourth, third position to fifth position, but the naming third and fifth of the total 6, if I write from the other end, it converted as 2 and 4 positions, and remaining things are repeated. 2, 3 positions is already covered. These are the methyls independent manner covering compounds related to the branched part of 8 carbons containing hydrocarbon like this, and the name of this compound is 2, 3 dimethyl hexane. And this particular compound name is 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. And name of this compound is 2, 5 dimethyl hexane. And this particular compound is 3, 4 dimethyl hexane. And this is 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. So nothing is repeated. Already this was repeated here, 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. Yes, you take one of them as valid one. Thus, these of all are the 6 plus 2 combinations. And we can write 6 plus 2 in another manner also. That is, those two are connected with one another. Instead of 2 independent methyls, dimethyls, we can write it as ethyl. Let us go for that part also. And this other one is ethyl as the substitution. Ethyl substitution starts from minimum second carbon. That is, by leaving 2 carbon atoms at the end, starts from the third carbon from the end. So this is the third carbon from the end. Here I kept ethyl as the substitution. As a result, the obtained compound is 3-ethyl hexane. Whereas 3-ethyl hexane in the other manner, if I adjust once again, it becomes equal to 3-ethyl hexane. Hence, with ethyl as substitution, we can get only one variety of compound, that is 3-ethyl hexane system. This is covering the tertiary carbon atom along with the primary, secondary. Here we covered the tertiary carbon atom also. In the last case, by covering the primary, secondary, tertiary as well as quaternary carbon atoms, the corresponding structure related to the branched part of octane system we are going to write. Yes, Here, this is the molecule of the 8 carbons containing system in which one carbon atom is quaternary carbon, one carbon atom is tertiary carbon, and one as secondary carbon. Many of the carbon atoms are present in the primary manner. I covered all varieties of carbons, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, with the minimum number of carbons, followed by all possible varieties of branches like 1 methyl as the substitution, 2 methyls or ethyl as the substitution, and many other are possible in a case 3 methyls, otherwise ethyl followed by methyls. Many varieties of permutations and combinations are possible. Thus, by writing the structure with branches, by writing some part of the structure as branches to the original straight chain are said to be branched structures of the organic compounds. Yes, heteroatomic straight chains. Yes, heteroatoms like chemical combination of carbon with either nitrogen or oxygen or halogen or sulfur or any other varieties of other than chemical combinations of carbon and carbon will occur. Thus, this is amine and this is alcohol and this is halogen and this one is thiols. That is propanamine, propanol, propyl chloride, propan-thiol. These are all are examples for the simple straight heteroatomic compounds, heteroatomic chemical combinations, that is heterochemical combination. If I write from this corresponding branched parts, that branched part is consisting of, this is isopropylamine, isopropyl alcohol, isopropyl halide, isopropyl thiol, etc. Hence, these are all are examples for the heterocyclic open chain compounds, and these are examples for the heterocyclic branched chain compounds. I will write another one simplest example with the 4 carbon atoms followed by the heterocyclic atomic combination, that carbon and nitrogen, carbon and oxygen, and carbon and halogen results related amines, alcohols as well as thioalcohols in open chain fashion as well as branched part. Yes, some other examples for the open chain as well as the branched chain, open chain and the branched chain portions of the heteroatomic combinations of organic compounds. Here I am writing 4 carbons combination, 4 carbons followed by nitrogen, that is butylamine, N-butylamine, N-butyl alcohol. This is a primary alcohol, primary amine as well as connected with the primary carbon, and here this is halogen, that is primary carbon connected halogen, primary halide, and this is primary thiols. Now here these 4 carbon can be adjusted as a combination of 3 plus 1 also, whereas 3 plus 1 in such a way that 3 carbons in straight chain consisting of 1 carbon as its substitution, that is, thus here it leads to the formation of methyl substitutions. Methyl substituted 3 carbons in straight chain followed by methyl substitution, total 4 followed by ammonia. This is also primary amine, primary alcohol, primary halide, primary thiol, but it is consisting of one of tertiary carbon atom. Thus here it results into the formation of, that is 2-methyl propanamine, and here also this is 2-methyl propan-1-ol, this is 2-methyl propyl chloride, 2-methyl propan-thiol. Similarly, this can be written, 3 plus 1 can be written in the form of 2 plus 2. If I write that 2 as ethyl, it becomes equal to the same. So therefore here I am writing that one in the form of 2 methyls in the form of, that is C2 in the form of 2 independent methyls on the second carbon atom. First and second is consisting of 2 methyls. Like this is said to be tertiary butylamine, tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl halide, tertiary butyl thiol. Here doesn't have any kind of branches, open chain, heteroatomic, and these are having branches with minimum, branches with maximum. All are examples for the category of heteroatomic combinations consisting of branches followed by non-branches. Yes, here C double bond OH. Carbon and the oxygen chemical combination is there. Example for the heteroatomic combination. 3 carbons followed by aldehyde, 3 carbons followed by acid, 3 carbons followed by OH as the functional group, which are present in straight chain that can be adjusted in the form of branched chain also. That is 3 carbons as a branch consisting 2 are in straight followed by 1 methyl as substitution. Thus here aldehyde, acid and the alcohol functional group is maintained as it is. These are examples for the heteroatomic straight chain compounds and these are examples for the heteroatomic branched chain compounds. And here some other examples in which C double bond O functional group is there. CO chemical combination is occurring. CO followed by CO chemical combination. C followed by O chemical combination is occurring. These are said to be ketones. These are said to be esters. These are said to be ethers. Here everything is present without any branches. Such a system can be adjusted with having of branches. Like these 3 carbons of straight can be adjusted as 2 plus 1 combination, that is N-propyl is converted as isopropyl as the substitution. Thus here 3 in branch, 3 as in branch, possible branches are like this. Like these are examples for the heteroatomic straight chain compounds and these are examples for the heteroatomic chemical combination including branched chain as the part, that is substituted heteroatomic organic compounds. Here it is a special case of heteroatomic chemical combination. As I said, more than one varieties of heteroatomic chemical combinations can also be present in organic chemistry under the title of heteroatomic chemical combinations. In this case, this remaining portion is of chemical combination of carbon with carbon, whereas here we are finding carbon with oxygen chemical combination, carbon with nitrogen chemical combination. Thus more than one varieties of chemical combinations are there and the whole heteroatomic chemical combination which is a part of the straight chain which is present just on the straight chain without having any kind of branches, but here that can be adjusted in the form of branches, that is C3 carbons can be adjusted as C2 plus C1 carbon, 1 methyl as a substitution and this functional group is said to be the amide functional group. This is substituted amide and this is said to be acid halide functional group. Here also we are having carbon with oxygen, carbon with halogen, 2 are repeated as it is, which are present in the straight chain in the first part. Now they are present in the form of branched chain in the second part. Thus we are having here branched substitutions, branches, that is substitutions containing chain, that is heteroatomic chemical combination with branches. And there are many other things. You can find more than one heteroatoms. You can find more than one varieties of substitutions at different parts of the chain. Thus, those are all followed by all varieties of combinations like amide followed by acid halide, followed by acid, followed by aldehyde, followed by keto, followed by alcohol, followed by alkyl halides. Many varieties of functional groups combination can be present on a molecule. Thus, there is no end, there is no limit. We will find innumerable number of compounds as examples for the straight chain heteroatomic combinations and the branched chain heteroatomic combination. And moreover, another one important feature related to the heteroatomic combination is heteroatomic groups when involves. Heteroatom involves in chemical combination, it offers majority of organic chemistry. With the homoatomic combinations, we will find a little organic chemistry, that is, it is restricted up to hydrocarbons and as well as benzene and its derivatives, that is cyclic compounds of benzene. Whereas when the straight chain of homoatomic and the cyclic part of homoatomic, when it is some portions, that is hydrogen like atoms are replaced by valencies are replaced by heteroatoms combination, it offers different characteristic set of valid properties and those of all are generally known as functional groups. Each functional group is having its main utility, its own characteristic properties, its own reactional features. Thus organic chemistry is so broadly spreaded, widely spreaded due to these heteroatomic combinations. The homoatomic combination offers a little percentage of organic chemistry, whereas these heteroatomic combinations and repetitions of heteroatomic combinations, presence of more than one heteroatomic combinations at various locations in the straight part of, otherwise the primary part of homoatomic combinations of carbon results varieties of properties containing molecules. Thus it is ever increasing, ever spreaded, innumerable number of compounds and innumerable number of characteristic features containing different set of molecules are resulted due to these heteroatomic combinations. Question of the day. Here for you a question for the homoatomic combinations and the heteroatomic combinations. I wrote, I am expecting from you to write the all homoatomic combinations, that is straight chain and the branched chain combinations of N-hexane having molecular formula C6H14. What is N-hexane? C6H14. C6H14 is hexane, and the hexane related all straight chain combinations, which is known as N-hexane, followed by all other branched homoatomic combinations like methyl as the substitutions, 5 plus 1 combination and 4 plus 2 combinations, like all possible varieties of combinations. And I am expecting you to write all possible varieties of carbon atoms, how many are of primary, how many are of secondary, how many are of tertiary, all possible varieties. To what an extent you know the different varieties of compounds, including all, if it is possible, stereo also. Write all possible straight as well as the branched chain homoatomic combinations of hexane having molecular formula C6 and the H14. And second question for the heteroatomic combination, here it is hexanamine, one hexanamine. This one hexanamine is having molecular formula as C6, whereas here 2 carbons are extra, that is H13 plus 2, 15, followed by nitrogen. This is one hexanamine, and this is having heteroatomic combination. Now you are expected to write all possible varieties of straight chain as well as branched chain portions of heteroatomic combinations of given molecular formula, that is C6H15N, that is one hexanamine related all straight chain as well as branched chain combinations of organic compounds which are coming as a result of molecular formula of given C6H15 and the N. For this and for this you are expected to write all possible varieties of homoatomic combinations, straight and branched, heteroatomic combinations, straight and branched. You maintain the valency rules, you maintain the chemical connectivities, and you are insisted to write the varieties of carbon atom, that is primary, secondary, tertiary, as well as the type of hydrogens and the sigma bonds. If any things are formed, then what is the type of sigma bond formed over there. You be clear with all known things in repetition of these particular compounds related isomers. And in the next class we will be explaining the cyclic compounds, homocyclic compounds, heterocyclic compounds, followed by alicyclic compounds, and the special part of cyclic compounds as aromatic compounds and their feature and the classification.